Okay, so this is Nigel at Pendle Steam Boilers. I just want to show you a new burner that we've just made for a customer. It's for a boiler with a difference. It's got vertical water tubes through the flue instead of horizontal, which means basically there's an air passage straight up the middle of the boiler. So you don't want a lot of flame up the middle because it's just going to go straight out the top and do nothing. So what we've done is we've designed and built this burner. It's 2.5 inches in diameter, and as you can see it's just got the flame holes around the outside. Now obviously the orientation, number and size of those holes is critical, but I just wanted to demonstrate how well it burns because we're really pleased with this. So the gas is a bit low on pressure because it's -3 in here at the moment. There we go. Turn it on, you can hear it hissing. Light it up. Turn it up. And I'll just turn the light out now so you can see it properly. Now that's an absolutely lovely burn pattern. Nice and low cones, so you can have the burner very close up to the tubes. No yellow flame. It probably appears a little bit purple on here, but in the workshop it's perfectly blue. And we can turn it down. Very stable flame front. Hardly any gas at all going into that now. It's still a substantial heat. Turn it back up again. The flame's about 8 inches high, so very pleased with that. And that's actually plenty sufficient to keep a small workshop warm, even at -3. Just wanted to show it you. Thanks very much for looking.